welcome back to my YouTube look. Sorry, I'm so used to saying YouTube look. So this one, you guys can already go to my YouTube and follow this beautiful, amazing look from Ashley Lee Cosmetics. And the reason why I'm doing two videos today is because I wanted to buy pressed glitters, and I started, kind of researching and everything is really expensive, guys. So I went to Ross, as you guys saw the other palette. I went to Ross and I purchased one, but for some reason it's like if you can see right here, I had to use my glitters to top it on top. So I want something pigmented that is not gonna be like so cheap or whatever. So things you would need is one of these, or if you want even like a cup that you don't use anymore. This one I did purchase on Amazon, and this one was for $12, and it looks like this. And as you guys see the inside, everything's empty. So I'm gonna start using my own pressed glitters. You're gonna need like a spatula, either one of these or just as simple as one of these, or just mix it with a Q-tip or anything. The next thing that you're gonna use is alcohol, 91%, because the higher it is, then it can actually dry faster. Then you're gonna need aloe vera. This one, this and this was purchased at Dollar General. Like each cost like $1 or $2. And then this one I got on Amazon. This was I think it was $14 or $15 or so. So you can get that one as well. Glitter of your choice. I have this ones right here that I made a long time ago. This my own glitters. So I'm gonna use some of these ones and some that I purchased from Amazon like years ago. So I'm gonna show you guys. They're like little tiny things. I have a bunch of these, so I'm gonna use a few of them, and it's gonna kind of be hard. This video is gonna be kind of hard on me trying to get everything and making sure that I can show you guys. So it's gonna be kind of hard for me to record. So yes, you guys, we're gonna see how we do this. So I have everything set up in front of me, so it will be more space and everything. We also have my chips. Oh, sorry, the microphone. Last thing you're gonna need is one of these, just like to inject everything. This one, guys, I got it off from Dollar General as well. Originally it was one of the Tylenol for the babies, and it got this one included. So it cost me like $3, guys. So you can guys get this ones instead of having to like go to the online, and who knows how long it's gonna take. You can just go to any Dollar General or any Family Dollar and just purchase one of these, and there you go, guys. So let's get started. And as your choice, me have my iPad. I have the instructions in there. The reason why I got this palette is because they're very easy. It has a little space so you can actually grab it, and sorry, I could do it without my nail. With the nails on the bottom. So they're very easy to grab. Sounds like coin sound. So I'm just taking them off so I can prepare them and be able to do this a little bit faster. This right here is like a foam part, so that's awesome. My tongue is all red. Okay, so I'm gonna take out all my glitters that I have and post them aside and see which glitters I want. I don't think I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna use this top so I can put the little caps on the top and just kind of mix. So from the glycerin is 2 parts. I'm gonna dump it into right here. Then on the alcohol, she says 3 tablespoons. So 1 little one of aloe vera. Just mix everything around. So this is kind of hard, but this is how it looks like. So we're just pretty much gonna mix everything. Once I'm done, I'm gonna kind of show you like how they look. So that is it, you guys. All the products that you guys need. Hopefully you guys love it, and we'll see to the end. Okay, very carefully, Mama, okay?
Okay.
Yay! All of it, all of it. Careful. Uh-oh. There you go. Yeah. So far process. Oh my god, they're gonna look so beautiful, you guys.